Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to switch to the French language setting in Notion. Adjusting the language settings in Notion is straightforward. Here's a concise guide to assist you in transitioning to the French language. To begin, initiate the process by clicking on Settings and Members, located at the upper part of the left sidebar. This serves as your entry point to personalize your interaction with Notion. Once you have entered this section, navigate to the Language and Region tab within the sidebar of the new window. This is where the captivating transformation takes place. Ready? Proceed by selecting the initial drop-down. Choose the French language from the available options. And lo and behold, you have now successfully adjusted your Notion language settings to French. Enjoy the seamless experience tailored to your linguistic preference. Keep in mind that Notion consistently expands its range of language choices, so stay watchful for incoming opportunities. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.